Worktop protectors have traditionally been difficult and expensive to install, permanently altering your kitchen surfaces. As worktops need to be routed, traditional rods are not suitable for laminate tops. Self-adhesive worktop rods are an easy-to-fit and stylish solution for all kinds of worktop. First, clean the area to remove grease and dirt. Mark the position of the rods on the worktop. Remove the backing to reveal the heat-resistant self-adhesive tape. Press firmly on each rod to ensure it is secure. Worktop rods are ready for use after 24 hours. This gives time for the adhesive to fully cure. Quick to install self-adhesive worktop rods.